Welcome back. Returning to some sense of normalcy. This week's experts have been offering advice as Michigan continues to navigate through this pandemic. And this morning, there are a few things you need to know about insurance for your car and for your home. And joining us now with answers to some questions that people need to know about, Emily Bourne, president of the Kleinschmidt Agency in Ann Arbor, a division of Meadowbrook Insurance Agency. Emily, thank you so much for being with us today.
Well, thank you for having me, Alicia. It's great to be here with you this morning.
First of all, what's important regarding insurance and what policyholders should consider during this pandemic and as we're starting to emerge from it?
Sure. Well, we refer to our lives post-pandemic as the new normal, right? Which implies some level of change that tends to be more long-term in nature. And anytime we encounter long-term changes in our lives, it's always a good idea to ask how these might impact the overall risk profile of our households. Insurance is one of the few things we purchase in life in hopes of never having to use it, which is why it's so important to make sure the necessary coverage is in place during those times when we tend to need it the very most.
Well, let's talk about a couple of the policies that most people have. Cars and homes. We'll start with cars. How can we make sure that we're at the right level of coverage for our cars when, again, we're hoping to never have to use that insurance?
Good question. So we experienced a very high call volume back in late March, early April of 2020 from clients requesting changes to their auto policy. These range from minor adjustments to their commute to major changes such as elevating their collision deductibles or even dropping full coverage completely. Carrying a $2,500 collision deductible while only venturing out to the store once a week makes sense under our old normal, but under our new normal, it's important to ask ourselves if this strategy truly reflects our current driving habits. So, if you've noticed a change in your driving habits over the last year, we recommend contacting your current agent or direct provider to help guide you through that process.
Good advice. Of course, we've been dealing with these devastating floods here in Metro Detroit. A lot of homes had flooded basements and other damage. When it comes to our homes, what should we keep in mind for insurance?
Well, there are two general areas of focus as it relates to this discussion. The first being any major changes to the dwelling structure itself. If you have completed any home additions, any modifications to the square footage, as well as any remodeling projects that increase your home value, um, you know, those are things that you would want to report to your agent. And while it's true that reporting these changes could mean increasing your limits, some upgrades could also result in discounts. A good example would be adding a new security system to your home. The second focus area would include making sure any personal items of higher value, such as jewelry, collectibles, family heirlooms, all of those are protected. It's good practice to perform a complete home inventory of your personal belongings and keep that on file in the event of a major loss, similar to the one we just experienced in the metro area.
And that makes sense, even using video to record your belongings. I wish we had more time. Emily Bourne from the Kleinschmidt Insurance Agency in Ann Arbor, thank you so much. This is where you can contact them and find out more information, meadowbrookagency.com. Emily, thank you again so much for being with us.
Thanks, Alicia.